Hey guys, this is Gabby from The Savvy Professor. In today's video, I will discuss the difference between EIN versus TIN. Stay engaged until the end to know the final verdict on how they compare, but first, let's start with the differences. So the main difference between them is the definition. A TIN is a tax identification number. The IRS uses a TIN to identify businesses or people on tax returns. Every person in the US needs a TIN. Examples of TINs include the Social Security Number SSN and Individual Taxpayer Identification Number ATIN. On the other hand, an EIN is an Employer Identification Number. The IRS issues EINs to businesses that have employees. An EIN is like a Social Security number for your business. Therefore, an EIN can be considered a type of TIN. Purpose. People living in the US must have a TIN to comply with the tax laws. Each person must have the right TIN for different purposes. For instance, resident aliens who cannot get an SSN usually get the Individual Taxpayer Identification Number ITIN. On the other hand, an EIN is for business entities such as corporations. If you have employees, you need an EIN to run a legal business. You cannot use an EIN. Therefore, a TIN can be used for different purposes unlike an EIN. Exceptions: everyone is required to have at least one type of TIN, such as SSN or ITIN. However, not all businesses need an EIN. That's because sole proprietor businesses and LLCs are considered to be one with an owner. Therefore, LLC owners and sole proprietors are exempted from taking an EIN. A TIN is therefore more common than an EIN, but do they have any similarities? Yes, American residents need TIN for important services such as opening a bank account. The same goes for businesses. Without an EIN, you cannot get a permit, license, or bank account for your business. Another similarity is that you don't have to pay to get these numbers. US residents can apply for their TIN or EIN online and take their documents to a local Social Security office. So to sum up, how do they compare? EIN and TIN. TIN and EIN help individuals and businesses with tax compliance and are equally important. Since I'm an American citizen, I have my TIN as a Social Security number. Since I want to start my first business, I will also need an EIN to ensure that my new business complies with IRS regulations. Thanks for watching!